19, Kim Hekiliana. And their
That's important, yes.
Sa kanilang mga koponan.
That's why they always say they're born leaders, right?
Correct. Although yung iba talagang reluctant, sabi nga nila, but pag wala ka ng choice, biglang lalabas na lang yung character na meron ka pala nun.
Yes.
Valdez punching that ball in. De Leon pinitik sa likuran. Para kay Pablo.
Good dig.
Counter coming from Ateneo. Ateneo on the defensive, but Ateneo able to extricate that last name for herself. Yung kanilang ace setter, the international campaigner na si Gia Morado, was down with a knee injury. In comes this young player who was developed into one of the finest setters. Dito sa Collegiate Conference, Urdas.
Too many free balls being given away by NU.
And let's see if this will hurt them again. Yes, that's a check ball. Nagulangan sila rito. Oops, 4 touches naman ay tinawag. Ano ba tinawag ko?
No, they call a net violation on Ruby De Leon.
Oh, sabi ni Ruby, wala.
Well then, the call stays.
Raisa Valdez once again. For Ateneo, if it's Fun Family and Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's.
Oh, another good serve.
Ang ganda naman ng pag-angati Ruby doon ng bola. Tan. Wow. Kim Gicaliana goes down the line. Ateneo reaching the first technical timeout. Jaja Santiago trying to push NU closer to Ateneo. Tan, back set para dito kay Gicaliana. Yeah, kaninong cover yun?
Actually, Jaja Santiago was near.
Titignan natin yung sequence na yan. Nice misdirection.
Oh.
Looking the opposite way and then going down the line. Ni Coach Roger yun. Jaja Santiago had a service error earlier. Tan. Gicaliana cross-court attack point. And alam mo, parang inaantay ng national yun na magkamali ang Ateneo instead of moving their feet, covering space, and defending. Ultra Fast Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra Radio Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Yeah?
Oh, they lost that game na parang walang guest player ang UST and we lost, diba? So, parang I think it was a heat or reality check for them, and so far so good for Ateneo.
And for coaches, it always is a welcome development na matalo ka na ng maaga kaysa matalo ka sa dulo.
That's true.
Dahil for teams that don't know how to react after a loss, hindi sila nakaka-recover, lalo na pag mga bata yung mga players.
Yeah, that's a mental aspect.
And Ateneo's response to that loss to UST, they swept UST in the final game of the semi. Norin, dalawang sets ng advantage dito ng Ateneo.
But, well, you know, let's talk about NU first. For NU, they have dug themselves into a very deep hole. And they really need to wake up. You know, again, this is the finals. You lost the first 2 sets, but you haven't been playing your game. Someone's got to step up. Ruby De Leon back in the fold. Jaja Santiago, someone's got to step up. Not only Jarrell.
Ito, at hataw ni Alyssa. 9 for NU, 8 for Ateneo. Bea De Leon. Para sa Ateneo, Ruby De Leon. Para sa National Youth. Pablo finally checked. Pablo readjusts.
Good dig by Alyssa.
Giselle Tan. Oh, nice setup. Kanina, natapal dito si Gicaliana. Pero ngayon, binalikan siya ni Giselle Tan for her to be able to redeem herself. Down by 7 earlier, now tied at 9 all. Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's D-League.
But you know, you're hoping for NU, no? You see, you know, spurts from Jarrell Singh, you see from Pablo. You're hoping that they play well the same time.
You know what has been taken, or who has been taken away of the equation? At yung equation na wala? Si Jaja?
Oh, really? Because now, poor reception, they're not able to maximize her advantage. Look at that, nobody home, down the line, no one was there.
Talagang kita mo, run away na para sa Ateneo. But not this set. Giselle Tan, alanganin si Gicaliana. Tadong mababa for Kim.
So far, a couple of errors right now for Ateneo. You're right, no, the sets have been low.
Bumalik. Sundan ang all-out kulitan nila Alyssa, Mika, Rachel, Ara, Jaja, Dindin, John, Peter, and the rest. of the Viber friends. The Valley Friends sa Viber public chat. Just go to the public chat tab sa inyong Viber app. Search and start following.
They're looking for that one person to actually, keep that spirit alive.
Nabor may be a quiet spark. Oh, Vikiliana. With an attack error, Ateneo falls behind by 2. To extend this match into another set. De Leon once again goes to Singh. Over reception.
Oh,
Excellent timing by Gikiliana. Timeout by Coach Roger as they have surrendered the Valdez show para dito sa Lady Eagles. A lot of her teammates have stepped up and played really well likewise. Another over reception. Good save by Ruby De Leon. Eliza, Giselle Tan, Gikiliana. Fighting for dear life ang National U.
Yeah, still alive.
Sabi ni Bea, akin yan.
Free ball.
Ruby goes to Pablo.
Oh!
Uy!
Oh! Helter Skelter!
Kinilabutan ako sa
Oh, my.
puntos na yun And look at the bench of the Lady Eagles.
And that got the crowd alive actually.
One final push. Ateneo able to, sabi nga natin, secure its second win. Will NU hold fort or will Ateneo swing to a 3-match point situation?
Oh.
And the latter just happened.
Yeah, but that has been the story in today's game, really. The reception woes of NU.
Down by 7 points at the onset of this third set. Now Ateneo is on the threshold of sweeping National University.
Yeah, match point.
Vikiliana once again punching that ball in. Myla Pablo tries to save one of 3 set game points, match points rather. Sertan to Maraginot. Oh!
What a last point for Ateneo. Look at the celebration. That's also been the story of Ateneo today, playing a team effort.
Nakakatuwa yung reaction ni Coach Roger at ni Coach Parley. And that smile by Coach Roger Goraya belies the fact that yung frustration over the game that was played by National U
Yeah.
laban sa nilarong flawless game ng Ateneo.